How to fix the screen size on your PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screen size on PC easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your PC. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click on your right mouse like this and go down to display settings. And after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now right here, as you can see, you can change the display resolution from here, and you can also manage the display orientation. Very easy and fast. And you have also the advanced display settings. You can click on it and check what you have here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.